Good morning, everyone. So I put out a poll asking you guys what you're either tired of or looking for creative ideas, or maybe had a lot in your pantry and trying to find creative solutions for it. So I'm going to just kind of walk you through what I do when I get this. So I'm going to share my screen, and I am going to go to my Epicure page, which you all can do as well. And literally you can do two different things. You can go to cook, and hopefully will open up, yes. And you can type in different things here. So what's trending? So like gluten-free, cook with the catalog, DIY, maybe family favorites like comfort food, or cook once, eat twice, or no cooking, 5 ingredients and less is one of my favorite. I love this one. Seeing all the different ones for that. And of course you can type in a product. So if you have something that you're like, I don't know what else to do with this. So maybe like, I don't know, I don't even think of one. How about the Poco Picante, right? And that did not work. Haha, don't do what I just did. You can see I never use that one. Anyway, and then entertaining, girls' night, potluck, global favorites, some German maybe, occasion, and then ready in a certain time. So then the other option is you could just come up here and type something like quinoa. You guys are asking about quinoa, and see the different recipes you can do with that one. So there's quinoa burgers, there's the beet and goat cheese quinoa salad. This one looks pretty yummy. So again, you use some quinoa, some water, some chickpeas. Here's another thing you could use, those cans of beans that we mentioned. You don't have to use chickpeas. You could have used something else, maybe black beans or white beans or something, or whatever you might have. Beets, and then goat cheese, and there you go. Here's another favorite. So this one is sheet pan quinoa and spinach salad. Everything can go right there. So uncook, look at that. Olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a few things. That looks yummy. If you like salmon, you can have any kind of nourish ball. So it doesn't have to be salmon, it could be many. Oh, you can taco flavor up your quinoa. Taco seasoning doesn't have to go on ground meat. It could go on your quinoa. That would be awesome. I like when I cook my quinoa, I always kind of cook it with a flavor. So maybe a broth, but it doesn't always have to be a broth. It could be a salad dressing, like sesame ginger is one of my favorites. I might put that in there. Maybe looking for a little extra spice, maybe the chili flakes in there. And then you can, make lots of different things that way. Ooh, that one looks interesting. Kale with quinoa and avocado, and then mango curry. Oh, yummy. So then, yeah, there's lots of different things you can flavor them up with. It doesn't have to be just the flavor that you're cooking with, although it's really good to make it up with maybe a spicier flavor or something, and you add that. Another option, what do we say? Lentils. So for me, I like the small lentils, so really, really tiny, like the red and orange ones, so that they'll actually dissolve almost into the broth or whatever it is you're making. And that one is better. It doesn't take as long, so I will do a whole bunch of dry of that we have always in the home. I especially do that for Victor for his lunches. I will make him up a dry soup mix, and I'll have the little tiny lentils, maybe some split peas and things, and all the different seasonings, and I can share that with you guys here. So here you go, lentil soups. It can go part of your veggie salads, into your nachos. What's this one? So, okay, interesting. And then lentil, oh yeah, you could do lentil that, things like that. So let me look up a few more, because this isn't just the only way I can look up lentils. I can say, like for me, I would put them in definitely into soups. I actually put it in the other day into mac and cheese. So I was making up mac and cheese, but didn't want a lot of the pasta. So I use lentils as well, and it just kind of mushed into it. So it was great. I put it into my curries. I put it into butter chickens. I put it into, let's see what else. Anyway, so there's things like that. What else are we looking for? Beans. I'll come up with a few more recipes for you guys. So beans, there's 3 bean salad. You can put it into your bean. This one I think I posted a while ago about white bean and kale soup. Delicious. Chili, beans in your chilies. It doesn't just have to be kidney beans. It can be black beans and things you like there. A fast and spicy bean soup. Oh yeah, that one looks good. All right, so there's quite a few here that you can make. Your quesadillas, lemon dilly green beans. That's just one. Ooh. White beans, some tomatoes, roasted garlic. Forget the Tuscan rub thing, but balsamic vinaigrette. I would use maybe Italian seasoning or Greek seasoning, and that would take care of that for you. So it's pretty simple. Whoa, awesome. Sorry. Choices here that we can make. So let me just stop sharing. And there you go. I walked through a few options and I will share a few recipes. And if you guys have any more questions or comments or looking for more recipes, feel free to message me and I will keep looking for you. Bye.